Welcome to Shake Chef. In this video we are making the triple chocolate mass gainer shake, and the recipe starts right now. Start with 2 cups or 470 milliliters of chocolate milk. Then add 2 scoops or 125 grams of chocolate mass gainer powder. Add a quarter of a cup or 35 grams of oats, 2 tablespoons or 30 grams of chocolate chips, 1 tablespoon or 20 grams of chocolate syrup. Blend it all up, and the nutrition facts are 1136 calories, 54 grams of protein, 168 grams of carbohydrates, and 14 grams of fat. And remember, don't drink the same boring shake every day. Thanks for watching this video. I got new video recipes every Tuesday and Friday. Please subscribe so you don't miss out.